It's pretty obvious that Amber Heard is making up a lot of lies during her testimonies. Some evidence is fake and other people are testifying against her. Her team of lawyers aren't that great as well.
And isn't it true that in the entire time you were there, you were not informed as to what caused damage to finger on March 8th?
Objection, hearsay.
I'm asking what he wasn't told.
I'll sustain the objection. Next.
You didn't know what could cause damage to Mr. Depp's hand while you were there on March 8th, correct?
Dr. Kipper told me he sustained an injury on one of his fingers.
Objection, hearsay.
Wait, you have next question.
Okay, you said he sustained an injury to his finger,
Yes,
but you don't know what caused the injury to his finger.
one of
correct?
his fingers.
But you don't know you don't know how his finger was injured,
I
correct?
don't think anybody mentioned it to me at that time.
Right, no one mentioned it to you at that time, correct?
Same objection, Your Honor.
Does she stand a chance in winning this trial and bringing home hundreds of millions of dollars? Well, she's trying. She tried to show the jury that she's very vulnerable by pretending to be scared of Johnny Depp. Johnny was on the way to the front door of the room to exit the place since the trial was on a break. You could see him from far away, not minding anyone else. The internet speculates that he just wanted to get lunch, which is pretty reasonable. Amber, who was by that door, looked shocked that Johnny was near her. She put a hand to her chest as if she saw a monster and backed up, hitting the coat rack. Amber looked so terrified to be a few feet away from Johnny, who was in fact with a lot of security that time, but she didn't hesitate to stare at him during her whole testimony. It's obvious that this is just another part of her act, but this time, it looks like no one is falling for it. You could see Johnny smirk and mock her reaction because he definitely knew she was just faking it. You can also see the officers who were trying to separate them smile a bit. At this point of the trial, Johnny has very reliable testimonies and believable evidence. The timeline of those who testified for him accurately aligned with his too. Now, it looks like the jury, the internet, and everyone else in the world is siding with him. There are so many reasons why Amber Heard is faking everything she says during this defamation trial. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.